So this is our app dev house, and for now we have to log in with our GitHub ID. Let's get in, and I'm signing with my GitHub account. And now we are into the app. This is our project dashboard, and here we can see the active projects which are there. We can also put our own projects by clicking on this. Firstly, let me tell you about the cards that are created over here. So these are the projects that were created by the developers, and this is the title of the project, and you can find the name of the mentor, and these are the skills required for the project. And if you view, so this is the part where you can apply to the project, like you can send the request, and this request gets sent to the mentor of that project. And if you get selected for, if you get selected for that project, yes, so this will be appearing in your workspace. Now I'll tell you how to create your own project. So if you click this plus button, and if you type some name and description and the number of people required and skills required as well, let me show you how to do that. Like I'll just write ABC for now, XYZ, and 6, yeah, like that. And if you also provide, this is optional, and let me, okay, fine. So my project has been created, and this is shown over here. And if I go and see the request, you can see the number of requests that you've sent and received. So these are the requests that I've sent for some project, and till now I've not received any requests, so this is not shown. But if I get any requests for my project, this will be shown over here. And this is the part where you will see all the start projects that you have saved for some time in future. And this is your dashboard. I think that, so this is your workspace, and it contains the uh, projects that you've applied to and the projects that you've created. And if you view, then you can see that for that particular project, there will be three parts, like chats, commits, and to-dos. The to-dos will contain the list of tasks that will have to be done uh, in the project, and this will be maintained by the mentor of the project. And the commits will contain the latest Git commit, which are done in the Git repository of that project. And the chats will be, as the name suggests, that it'll be a platform where the professional of that project will discuss or ponder upon some ideas.